The ship the Madeleine was commandeered in the early hours of this morning in an act of piracy by the Israeli Navy, and they have forcibly abducted the crew from that ship, which was sailing to bring aid to Gaza. That aid consisted mostly of baby food and rice. The Israeli government is using starvation as a weapon of war, and we have seen horrific footage of starving children who are suffering as a result of this. Let's cut all ties with this rogue state that is involved in genocide, using starvation as a weapon of war.
Members' time is up.